Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wardrobe clear out, clean and organisation. So these are the steps I'm going to do in order if you would like to do it yourself and follow along. First thing I'm going to do is put on some music which makes me feel calm and happy and relaxed, just so I can enjoy the whole process. For me, that's James Taylor's new album, American Standards. Then what I'm gonna do is section by section, pull the clothes out. I don't like to pull all the clothes out the whole wardrobe in one go and put them on my bed because that totally overwhelms me. So I'm just gonna do it section by section. Pull the clothes out, and then I'm gonna give the wardrobe a really good clean using a Hoover, using like a surface spray and a cloth, just because like how often is your wardrobe empty, so you can actually really clean out any like dust that's in there. Then I'm gonna put back any of the clothes which I know I definitely want to keep, and I can like fold them nicely and hang them nicely, and oh, it's just gonna feel so good. And then anything I'm not sure about, I'm gonna leave on the bed till right at the end. Once I've done that for all the sections, I'm gonna try on the clothes, decide if I want to keep it, put it back in, if I want to give it to charity, if it needs to be thrown away into kind of like a recycling pile, which is unlikely unless something's got like holes in it and can't be worn. That's the only time I like throw something away. Most of the time I'll either give it to charity, give it to my sisters, or hopefully I will kind of rediscover some bits in my wardrobe that I forgot were there. I might have the issue with sizing. For a lot of things still might not fit me, but I think with some things I will still want to keep them in case I fit into them again one day. So I thought you guys would enjoy watching this whole process with me. Please feel free to follow along yourself if you'd like to do this to your own wardrobe. Hopefully this will inspire you, and let's get started. Look at the dust that's gathered. I think it's actually from my hangers, which I love these hangers. They're from Primark, but they do shed. I like them because they're so thin, so you can pack so much more in. But this is kind of what happens. So I'm just going to give this a Hoover and a wipe. I'm also going to wipe the rail and just the kind of side bits around here, just because I don't want my clothes to get dirty. I've got this Jo Malone linen spray, which was a gift, so I'm just going to spray the cupboard a little bit with this. I don't know if it'll make a difference, but I'm going to give it a go. Okay, so these are all the things I'm definitely keeping. I've got some really good dresses in there. It's reminded me, actually. There were a few items like this one which have kind of weird memories that I wore just after kind of giving birth over the summer, when I really felt really like un-me and insecure about my body. So I don't know how I'm going to feel when I try these on again when like spring, summer comes around, but I'm going to keep them for now because they are good dresses. So these are all going to go straight back in. These are the spare hangers because I have also got a pile of things that I feel like I should try on because I'm not 100% sure. And then I've also got a few things there which are going to go in my like giveaway charity / sister pile. I'm not sure I have the energy today to do the storage boxes above. That's kind of like summer clothes. I think I might do it when it gets to summer. But for now, the way I've organised this is I've done jumpsuits on the left, and I've done it from like dark and smarter to lighter casual summer ones. And then the same with dresses. So like darker, smarter event dresses going into kind of lighter summer casual dresses. I'm going to move on to the next section before I think I'm going to do all the epic trying on right at the end. Okay, I've organised this section. I've got a few chunky knits which I prefer to hang because they're too bulky folded, and the shoulders don't get affected, don't worry about that. So then I've got kind of more proper shirts from like white, and then going into more casual summery shirts. And then I've got all my silk kind of floaty shirts, again going from kind of darker, smarter prints to the lighter summery and then shorter sleeved ones. And then I've got my Anine Bing t-shirt, which I prefer to hang. So now I just need to tackle the jeans, tracksuit bottoms. I've got some hoodies there, which I might move up to this section, I think. Okay, I've got jeans in here, and then I've got a couple of jeans I need to try on, and then I've got kind of 2 pairs of green trousers on one. These are both kind of linen trousers, so I've hung those, and then those are both tracksuit bottoms from the same brand, so I've hung those on the same hanger as well. I'm not sure, I feel like they're a little bit heavy for the hanger, but I'm going to see for now if that works. And I gave that a little clean as well in there. This is the cupboard I've been dreading the most. The jumpers are a complete mess, and the drawers are just overflowing mess as well. Whew, this is going to take me a while. I've cleared these shelves. I'm going to give them a good clean. These things at the back are just swimming costumes in case I need them, like for swimming lessons or whatever, and these are just like either jumpers I don't wear that often. This is like my pregnancy announcement jumper. These are the jumpers that Anna and I made, and the glossier jumper, like ones I want to keep but I don't necessarily wear all the time. So I'm going to clean up these shelves, and then I've put a couple of jumpers hanging, and the rest I've folded up ready to put back in. And there are some that I've put in a pile of, like, they're too wintry now. Like a lot of these I will have to put in storage, but not yet. I feel like it's too premature for that. But some of them, like polar necks, it's not quite cold enough for that at the moment. You've probably had enough of time lapses by now, so let me just show you some before and afters. This is the underwear drawer before, and that's the after. This is the pajama drawer. These are the only things I'm keeping. That's one of Rich's old gross t-shirts. Those are bottoms. I don't know where the top is. That's a set, and those are kind of more tracksuit bottoms. So I definitely have room for some new pajamas, which is quite exciting. That is a rubbish pile over there because they're just like gross things, probably from after when I had a baby, that no one is going to want to wear. And there are a few things that I'd be passing on as well. This drawer needs a real clean, actually. I find that the drawers, it's quite hard to keep them smelling nice. I have these from Diptyque, but I think they're more for, sorry, it's out of focus, it's more for hanging. If you guys have any tips for keeping drawers smelling nice, I think you can get like little lavender parcels. I need to look into it, actually. But yeah, it smells a bit like stale in here. Lovely. And that's the after. In case you guys are wondering why I got rid of so many pajamas, it's either because they don't fit me or they're so old that they've kind of not really comfortable or soft anymore. Yeah, these are the ones I wear the most. This is the t-shirt drawer. Definitely need to sort this one out. Okay, that's the t-shirt drawer afterwards. Again, some things for the giveaway, some things to try on to see if they fit. Jumper drawer. There's like sweaters and like thinner sweaters and long sleeve tops. So they've all been organised. I moved a couple of them, a couple of the thicker ones up here. I've just got one more drawer to go. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay, this is like loungewear workout clothes. Another thing I would recommend is when you're halfway through, go out for a little walk. I'm going to get some fresh air, and then I'm going to come back and try on all the clothes from the maybe pile. Okay, I'm back and ready to tackle this pile of maybes. So some of these will go back in the wardrobe, some of them go in the pile of sister/charity. Let's see. I think when you're trying clothes on, it's important not to try them on with like tracksuit bottoms. So I've put on a nice pair of jeans. These are from Arquette, and I'm going to try on all the tops first. This t-shirt is from Megan Ellaby's collection Saturday. I have a really gorgeous jumper from them that I also love. I absolutely love this t-shirt, but I have to say I wasn't expecting it to come up so short. I need tops to be quite long on the torso. So as much as I absolutely love this, I'm gonna pass this on to someone else who I think would get more wear out of it. I have no regrets though. I'm so glad to be able to support like a new small brand, and I think she's doing so well with it. But yeah, it's too short for me. If I lift my arms, you can see my tummy. I wasn't sure if this was gonna fit. This is from Le Motte, which I love the brand. I don't know how to pronounce it though. L-E-M-O-T, and it's French. Not sure. This is a small, and most of the tops I have from them are medium, so I wasn't sure. It does actually fit. It's a little bit tight, but I think I'm going to keep it because I love it. Same with this one. It's a small, but I think because I wore it when I was pregnant, I have stretched it a bit so it fits, and I just love their stuff so much. I don't know why everything I own has a French slogan on it. I really don't. It's just like one of those things I'm attracted to, and I'm not sure why. But this jumper from Whistles, I never want to get rid of it, but then I never wear it. Like, I've been through a whole winter now and I haven't worn it. I think maybe it's just like a bit too much. It's not like, it's not subtle. I'm a bit more into like the more subtle things now. So, oh, I don't know. It does fit nicely though. Oh, this is one of those things I can never get rid of. I try it on and I'm like, oh no, I want to keep it. But then I never like reach for it when I open my wardrobe. I can't decide on this one. This is one of the things I wore post having a baby when I was trying to figure out my style and get back into it. I'm not going to keep it. I think this line here is really unflattering and with my size boobs. I just don't think it does anything for me. It's too high as well. This is another Whistles jumper, the same as the other one, but this one just says Derrienne in very small red letters. So I'm going to keep both of these to the side and you guys can vote. Should I keep this one or should I keep the one that says Salut in big white writing? I think this one is maybe cooler. This is a big oversized white shirt from And Other Stories. I'm going to keep this, I like it. Sorry, I haven't done this up. This denim shirt just reminds me of being pregnant so much. This is all I wore for the last like 3 months, was a vest top with this on top. I really like it actually. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's like a really thin, it's not actually denim, it's like a thin cotton that looks like denim. I don't think I would wear this at the moment, but I just think it's quite a useful shirt to have, like maybe in the summer. This is one of those ones I feel like I've had for so long that it must be like worth keeping. I'm gonna keep it for now. This jumper is from Uniqlo. It fits nicely and it's very comfortable, but it's something about the color I'm not 100% sure about. Although now I've got it on, I really want it. When it's off, I keep thinking like it's not that flattering. But it is just like a really comfy jumper. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep this as well. I knew this would happen. Okay, this is something I'm not gonna keep. I bought this from Zara maternity when I was pregnant, which is not the reason I'm getting rid of it. I would wear it even though it's maternity. It's just an awkward length. It's like a long shirt. It looks a bit weird with jeans. Can't wear it without jeans. I don't really wear like leggings. And it's also like quite a sweaty material, so I'm definitely gonna get rid of this. I'm also gonna pass on this green cardigan because I feel like it's too short. It doesn't really like flatter me. This blazer is from M&S, from when I did a job with them. I do really like it actually. I don't wear blazers that much purely because I don't really understand, like it's always too cold for just a blazer, and then I find putting coats on top of blazers quite weird, and then when it's warm enough to not wear a coat, blazers kind of feel too thick. Very tricky. There's only ever like a month or so in the year that you can just wear a blazer. I think this is nice though. I'm not 100% sure about the length. I'm just worried that I like never wear this. I think there's another blazer in my wardrobe. I might compare them both. This is the other one from Topshop, which is a much thinner fabric. The other one's a bit more of like a coat, and this is definitely more of a blazer fabric. Oh, also this one's very tight actually. If I move my arms forward, oh, I don't think that fits me anymore. I've become much wider since having a baby. Yeah, this one, I can feel like if I lean forward, it's just gonna rip. So that's made my decision about this one. So I'm gonna keep the M&S one for now. This is a cashmere cardigan. It's more for like lounging around the home. I cannot believe I wore this when I went into labour. I don't know what I was thinking wearing cashmere. It was disgusting. Sorry for the visual. I had to take it to the dry cleaners. But now it's just like lovely memories. No, seriously, I'm gonna keep this. It's so nice. Could I wear this out? Maybe I could. This is so old from the White Company. It's like a polo neck and then it kind of cuts off at the arm. I quite like wearing it in the winter with the long sleeve underneath. I don't know why I didn't this year, but I'm gonna put it away in storage because it's just like handy to have. Found another blazer. This is And Other Stories and it's a linen blazer. What do you think? I'm not sure if this sort of collar suits me, but maybe with like a different top underneath, it could be quite nice, like spring summer vibes. Sometimes I just feel like blazers kind of look too smart on me. I think I'm gonna keep this for now because I think it's handy to have. Oh, it's also a little bit tight actually. Oh, I've definitely like gone up the size in outerwear as well. I might keep this one for now just in case. I was sent these trousers from M&M. I think they're meant for loungewear. I mean, I'm sure some people could wear them out, but they're a little bit like clingy on me, but they're really comfy, so I'll definitely wear them as loungewear. I can't remember if these like black overalls are maternity or not, but either way, they are so comfortable and I feel like they're just gonna be good to have, like even if I'm just like lounging around the house in the summer. They're so comfortable. I've got 3 pairs of jeans to try on. The first one are from the White Company. It says the White label on them. I'm not sure what the style is. They're a little bit on the tight side, but they're so soft and stretchy, so they do fit. I'm not sure they're the most flattering jeans that I own. I'm gonna put them to the side for now. These jeans are called the Lily from Marks and Spencer's. I really like them, but I think, because I got them like a few months ago, they are a little bit big for me now. I think I could probably do the size down because I remember from wearing these, because they're high-waisted, I kept having to like pull them up all day and they were driving me mad. So I might try the size down and maybe get those instead. These are the relaxed slim jeans from M&S and I love them. Again, these are a little bit big. That's the annoying thing of buying clothes after you've had a baby or just constantly changing size without even like meaning to. I could definitely wear the size down. I'm going to wear these for a little bit longer and then probably get the size down. Okay. Let's take a look at the finished thing. Jumpers all tidy, drawers all tidy, very, very nice. Jumpers, shirts, jeans, trousers, and I've realised how many dresses I have, which I'm excited for the weather to get a little bit better so I can wear them. Also, I love it when you free up loads of hangers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this wardrobe clear out and organisation. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, let me know what other videos you would like to see from me, and I'll see you next week. Bye.